finished putting this. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't really get anything put away either.
I had a couple minecart cracks from when.
Oh, from when it decided to go.
All wonky?
Yeah.
Yes. At least I'm assuming that's how I ended up with them. Oh, hi, Mr. I. You're really interested in me.
Ah!
I died.
Ah! No! Run! Not F key. I don't even know what that does. I don't think it does anything actually, but you know.
Oh, come on, game. Did you respawn me already? So I can maybe have a chance.
Ah!
I still haven't respawned. Why does it have to take so long? It's a little too long. on the respawn time there. Just a tad bit. I can understand being a little long. It's just a little bit too long.
And that's why I don't like bows. I need to go get my money before it disappears.
Okay, we get all the stuff.
Fallen stars. Let's see here. Now that we're back to doing stuff again, we need to get new filters for our fish tanks.
Hey, they're on order. They should be here by Wednesday. Thank you, Amazon. And we've only spent like $30 on the two. Because I had to get them.
Yeah. We were part of the Virgin, you know, Health miles thingy, so.
And I knew it was a good idea to use them on an Amazon gift card. Did we ever figure out if we actually still have that or not?
No, we don't have it anymore. We got like 4 different emails telling us one thing then another.
And it was all like, oh wait, no, you're wrong. Wait, no, no, yes, no. I was like, which is it, guys?
Okay, anyway.
collection of bait going on for whenever we get around to trying some fishing. Star.
We don't need more. I don't need an extra slimy saddle, so that's 5 gold in our pocket.
Riding the slime saddle is so fun. Harmful, but fun. But hey, if I get a thing where I don't take fall damage, then it's perfect, man.
Yeah, I was watching a video where people weren't telling other people that if you use the slime, if you're riding the slime and you get to a meteorite, guess what? You still take damage from the meteorite.
Well, why wouldn't you?
Yeah. It was kind of funny.
But you jump so high, it's so much fun.
I'm gonna go sell one of the extra royal gels since they sell for so much. Okay. No, it's nighttime, but let's go back to ending
wait
the Sky Railroad.
More money away.
Bridge.
The only thing that will suck about having this kind of these sky bridges that we won't be able to have any Did you move out of the way?
Oh, sorry.
Won't be able to have any torches.
That's a good point. Can we? No, we'd have to put back wall, but we could put back wall every once in a while to get a torch up.
Just saying. It's really the biggest downfall to that, but you won't always have these helmets on. Eventually it's going to be...
Well, yes, but hopefully we're going to get one of the light pet things that means we don't need them anymore.
Still.
And I got plenty of more track.
That'd be cool if the meteors fall through this and then on it.
Yep. And if we have one of those nasty bosses that want to chase us all over the place, we could just hop on here and let them try.
Yeah, and we should do like we usually do when we get over by the dungeon. We could put a rope down.
True. You're in charge of that. This is a lot faster.
It is. It's a lot safer too. You bring on the harpy because you just, you know?
Yep.
I mean, unless I get killed.
Oh, and with all those little things, if we get near something, it'll probably tell us that there's a treasure chest nearby. Right? Oh, there's a harpy. Or 3. 2. Okay. I need to defend myself too.
Yeah, I'm like, you gotta help. Come on, man. I can't do it all by myself. I don't have enough mana. Sucks.
But the treasure just falls straight through it.
Damn. Eh. I mean, generally you're close enough to it that you end up kind of grabbing it. Whatever, anyway. Ah.
Oh,
Bridge.
wow, I just died.
Do you want me to wait for you?
Yeah, you can, if you're, like, on that island or something, that'll work.
Okay.
Hi. Did you summon your slime again? Your poor slime and penguin keep just like falling behind.
Yeah, we'll catch up eventually.
Oh goodness. Let's see here. Can't drink water and place this track at the same time. That's a problem.
Drink
We have
water.
bendy straw.
I was like,
Thirsty.
what? You have bendy straws.
True, we do.
Kitchen. Top of the fridge.
Okay, I'm helping. Oh well, who cares?
I don't know.
Your Terraria, if you have another stack of 99 and you run out of something, just autofill your hot bar.
Well, yeah, one side always has more islands than the other.
True. Also, they might be up or down from here, and we just need to like fire water bolts or something to detect them. So, no, straight up.
Well, if it's in front of us and up. See what I'm saying?
True. No, I should be using a building potion right now. Oh well. far we've come. Hey, a floating island.
Oh, we're already past the dungeon? We already went past the dungeon.
That's okay. We'll drop a rope down to it later, or whatever. Oh yeah, E. Oh, this is a floating pond, so you can go
Fishing?
fishing.
That's it?
Well, it's cool that they made those, but yeah, it's lame when you find them. You're hoping for treasure. Okay, that didn't work. No, that didn't work. I suck at this. There we go.
That's not what I was looking for. No!
Oh, dang it. You pay attention to me so I can kill you. Okay, oh. Okay, now stay right there. I'll use a wormhole potion to get back to you so that...
I was gonna move a little bit so I could put the rope.
well, okay, well, if you're gonna do that, then I can't do that, so...
Oh, I'm gonna be stopping in a minute here.
Yes, but if I don't know what's going to happen. If I try to wormhole to you while you're on a minecart in the middle of the sky, I suspect I'm just gonna fall to my death.
No. Maybe.
I suspect that. I mean, I'm not... let's see here. More iron bars made. That's 10.
Alright. Rope is down.
Are you going back to the island so I can wormhole to you, or?
Yep. You gotta just jump with the minecart thing, I think, for the hole.
Oh. Well, we'll figure that out later, so.
Well, because you can jump the hole. You can jump in the minecart. I mean, it won't roll you off an edge anyways. If it would stop you, then you just jump over to the next one.
Okay, now. Real quick.
What are you doing? Oh. I see.
You know what? I'm going to make it so that this one doesn't cross the thing. Just underneath it. Ah. Okay. Herbie thing. Yo!
Oh. Oh, good job.
we have plenty of wormhole potions. Alright, so...
Giving healing potions. Next herpes that comes along, he's dead.
Thank you. I wonder if the Eye of Cthulhu is going to spawn tonight. Oh, well, there's a...
There's a what?
There's an island above us, because a bunch of stuff just came flying back down. I don't have any back wall. What I could do is... Vine room. And the game said screw you. Oh, thank you. I don't know how you got those, but thank you.
When I put the rope down...
Oh, okay.
Somewhere we're keeping feathers yet.
No, but they would go in materials, I guess. Alright.
Both feathers?
Huh?
Both kind? Oh, just both.
Oh, you got one of the giant harpy font?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Materials, if you want to move it later, you can move it. We should probably stop for dinner and stuff. Just saying.
Yeah, we probably should here. But we're only at 1 hour and 20 minutes, so we need to waste another 10 minutes. And put the giant harpy feather in a something now called a box called wings now.
Figure it out.
We could try to kill the Eye of Cthulhu again.
It's just not gonna work. We should go back to our original plan of trying to
Go to the jungle.
go to the jungle or seeing if what's his name would be easier to kill.
Oh yeah, we could go. Let's do that. Let's. I think we have enough time this night still. barely started.
And first stop should be right down to the place.
Train leaving for Albuquerque, New Mexico, Honolulu.
That's a little bit terrifying, but hey, it works.
Okay, so well, no time like the present. Are you ready?
Guess so.
Ah!
Did your cat die?
I already died. At least you're on camera for a little bit. And now you're dead. Okay. That didn't work either.
Well, hey, we've tried it. There we go. Yay!
Yay, that killed 2 minutes.
Oh, jeez, would I spawn back in already?
Yeah, I feel like I mean, I just feel like I'm moving through treacle half the time.
Through what?
Tar, sorry.
God, learn to talk like a normal person.
Never.
I don't like you.
What? Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Has the time passed yet?
No. Tell you what, we're at an hour 23 minutes. I think we're not talking anyway, so we should probably just call it a night. You guys have fun out there in YouTube land. Bye bye.